In the year 1984, my brother gave me a big book. He came from Hong Kong. He said, a book on Chinese philosophy. I read that Chinese philosophy for 6 months, right from Confucius to Mao Zedong. All such great masters. Chuang Tzu, Lao Tzu. Thousand masters. Big book, 1,500 pages. Chinese philosophy. 6 months I did nothing other than read that great book. You have to read to become Catholic. To understand truth from all its dimensions, 360 degrees.
Hi Masters, Patriji Vegetarian ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.